Guys, when it comes to autobody and painting, rusting is a major issue. It is a major issue because it is very difficult to repair rust. It spreads all around very quickly, and when it spreads, it looks very bad and it makes your vehicle look very bad, guys. So in this video, guys, I will share with you 9 tips that will save your time and money on expensive repairs. My name is Raisen and I am an autobody and paint expert, author and instructor, and welcome to Raisen Spray Booth. So guys, it is going to be a very interesting video. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So come on, let's start the video. Now guys, before we start to deal with the rust, let's understand rust first. Now we have all learned these things in the school, guys. This is just a refresher for you. So let's see what is rust. Rust is this triangle, guys. When this triangle is complete, you will have rust. So what are the 3 things? The first thing is metal or iron. Now your car body has metal, guys, and you can't do anything about it. So the next thing which comes into picture is oxygen. Now there is oxygen in the entire environment, in the atmosphere, and you can't do anything about that as well, guys. So these 2 things will be there forever. You can't do anything about it. But there's one more thing which completes this triangle, guys. And the last thing is moisture or water. When this triangle is complete, guys, you will get something called as rust. So if you take one thing out from here, the rust can disappear. You can't get rid of the metal or iron. You can't get rid of the oxygen. The only thing which is there in your control is the moisture or the water, guys. So let me draw a car. If this is a car, I don't know if my drawing skills are still there, but this is a car. As you guys can see, looks like a car. If there is rust on your car body, what happens? The first thing that it will do is it will weaken the metal. It will weaken the body of your car. The second thing it does is it damages critical components. Like for example, if there is a rust on the door, your door gets spoiled and now you have to replace the entire door. And it also does another important thing, guys. It drops the resale value of your car. So if in the future, if you are planning to sell your car and if you want to make some money out of it, then you can't do it now because nobody wants to buy a rusted car, guys. When people want to buy a second-hand car and you have listed your car for sale, then they'll come to check. And the first thing that they will check is what, guys? They will check if your car has rust on it. If your car has rust on it, then there you go. They don't want to buy it anymore. No matter how good your engine is, no matter how good and smooth your car is running, it doesn't matter. If there is rust on the car, they don't want to buy that car anymore. That is how serious this matter is, guys. So before I move on to give you the tips, let me wipe this board. And let's start fresh again with a fresh board because I need to write the tips here. There you go, guys. You are enjoying the channel? Then see that you subscribe to this channel, guys. It will make sure that you learn autobody and painting, and it will make sure you save lots of money. So moving on to the first point, guys. The first point is a very important point and we all do this all the time. And the first point is don't. Now remember this word, guys, don't. Wash your car regularly. Yes, very important. Don't wash your car regularly, guys. Check what type water you are using to wash your car. If it is salty water, then you should stop washing your car right away because when the water is salty, it makes the car rust very fast. Now some people have the habit of washing their car every week, and some people even wash every day after they come from work, and when they have free time, they wash the car. And what they are doing is they are washing the car with salty water. Now what happens after 1 year? Even after taking so much good care of your car, you notice that your car has started to rust. You take it to the auto body shop and he tells you that your car is beyond repairs now. So you better get rid of it by selling it. And even if you want to sell your car, the first thing people check is rust. I have told you guys that. So just imagine what you have done, guys. You have ruined your car, and that too by washing every day, and all this while you were thinking that you were taking care of it. So avoid washing your car regularly, guys. If you are washing your car with the salty water, then in 3 months one time is okay. And if you are washing your car with fresh water, then in a month one time is enough. Otherwise, what you will be doing is ruining your car, guys. So pause this video and first go and check what type water you are washing your car with. Is it salty water or is it fresh water? Moving on to the next one, guys. And the next one is dry your car completely after washing. Yes, guys, you must dry your car completely after washing. Now, guys, I have shown you the triangle. In that triangle, there is only one component that you can take care of, and that is the moisture and the water. So when you wash your car, what you can do? You can only dry it up to get rid of water as much as possible. So after you are done washing your car, don't waste any time. See that you dry the car and take out all the moisture on the metal. This will help you to save your car from rusting. When you get rid of the water, when you get rid of the moisture, you take out that one component from the triangle, and now the rust can't come. So that is the reason why you should understand what is rust in the first place, guys. Use a microfiber cloth to dry the car immediately. So let's move on to the next one, and let's see what's the next one is, guys. And the third one is do waxing. Yes, many people avoid this, but waxing creates a barrier, a top coat on your paint, guys. And now when you wash your car or put water on your car, the water doesn't touch the paint. It touches the wax and it goes down, which gives good protection to your metal. So once you take the moisture down, you take out one component out from the triangle, and now you will not get rusting on your vehicle. As simple as that, guys. Especially in the rain, guys, see that you wax your cars so that when you take your car in the rain, all the rainwater which falls on your car will not touch the paint, but it will touch the wax and it will go down, which will stop your car from rusting. So moving on to the next one, and the fourth one is, guys, the fourth one is do undercoating. Yes, guys. When you take your car in the rain, there is water all over the place, and you can't control it from touching the underneath surface of your car. But you can do one thing, you can apply the undercoat. Once you apply the undercoat, the water which splashes will touch your undercoat and it will not touch the metal body of the car, which will protect your car from rusting. So these are important components, guys, that you should know to protect your car, which can save you a lot of money and which can save your time as well. How many of you guys have done undercoating for your vehicle? Do let me know in the comment section below, and on that we can come to know how many people are even aware about this. Undercoats are like rubber coating under the car which is sprayed, guys, which will protect your wheel wells and underbody of your car. So let's move on to the next one, and the fifth one is, guys, do regular inspections. Yes, guys, do regular inspections of your car. Go all around your car, check if there is any paint chipped off, if there is any dent, if there is any metal exposed. Check it regularly, guys. These regular inspections are important, guys, because otherwise you will not know where your metal is exposed, on which spot your paint is come out, where there is a dent on your car. All these things you will come to know when you do regular checkups or regular inspection of your own car. And now you know where the dents are, where your paint is chipped, and where the metal is exposed. And with that, let's move on to the next one. And the next one is do touch-ups. Yes, guys, do touch-ups. Now to do the touch-ups, you should first know what to do. Even a tiny stone which flung on your car can chip your paint, guys, and expose your metal. So now you should know how to do the touch-ups. Now where you will go to learn the touch-ups? Where you will learn how to do autobody and painting. Guys, you don't have to go anywhere now, because I have done all the hard work and I have created a step-by-step auto body and painting course specially for you guys. And when you have all this important knowledge about auto body and painting guys, to take care of these tiny touch-ups becomes very easy guys. Now which primer to use, which paint to use, how nobody can make out that you have done anything there, all these things you'll have to learn first guys. And to learn all these things, you don't have to go anywhere now, because you can learn it from the comfort of your home. And now you don't have any excuse to protect your car. So if you want to learn auto body and painting, then I have put a link of my course in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled as soon as possible and start saving and protecting your car. So let's move on to the next one guys. And the next one is have proper garage for your car. Yes guys, never keep your car in the rain or under a tree. And under the tree is the worst guys, because birds will poop on your car. All the leaves from the tree will fall on your car and they will choke up your drainage system. These leaves can really ruin your car guys. So never park your car under a tree and never park your car in open rain. So build a shade for your car. A small shade will do guys, just to keep the water or the moisture out. Because if you keep the car in the rain, water is touching your metal body all the time. And it looks like the triangle is complete guys. Only a small exposure of metal and the water can touch that metal spot and rusting can start immediately. So very important guys, have a garage for your car. Now if you don't have a place to build a garage, if you don't have the place to put a shade, then only you will have the next option guys. It is only if you don't have a garage or if you don't have a place to build a garage, then you can use car covers. Yes guys, this is only the last option guys. I don't recommend these covers because when you take out these covers, you throw them on the floor, dust is there, stones get stuck in that cover, and when you put the cover back, it will scratch the car on your paint and it will make your paint look old guys. So I don't recommend it, but to protect your car from rust guys, sometimes you have to use the covers when you don't have a place to build a garage or don't have a place to build a shade for your car. So as a last option, we can use these car covers to protect our car and to take the moisture out and to stop the triangle from completing. So moving on to the next one and the last one guys. The last one is check your drainage system. Yes guys. Now when water falls on your car, there are small drainages under your car guys, under your car doors or where the windshield is, there is a drainage there. Now sometimes when you park your car under a tree or anywhere, leaves fall inside and these drainages get blocked. Now once these drainages get blocked guys, the water which falls on the car, where it will go? It will stay there for a long period of time. And when it stays there for a longer time guys, rusting can start immediately. Now even on the car door guys, there are drains underneath the door. Because when the rain falls on the car, it goes down through the doors and it goes outside from the drains which are there under the car doors. And these drains get blocked guys. Once these drains get blocked, water remains inside of your door and you don't even know it. And after a while, when the water remains there for a longer period of time, your door starts rusting from underneath. And how many cars you have noticed guys whose doors are rusted and you have to replace a door? So this is the reason guys, your doors are rusting. First of all, you are washing your car with salty water and that salty water goes inside of your doors and now it doesn't have space to even come out from the door. So the salty water stays inside of your door for a long time and just imagine how fast your car can rust guys. It's a very dangerous thing to happen. So occasionally check all the doors for the drains underneath if they are blocked or if they are open, especially if you are parking your car in the rain guys or if you are driving in the rain every day. Even if you are washing your car every day, check if all these drains are working fine. And this is how you can protect your car from rusting guys. So guys, when you have knowledge about auto body and painting, you can protect your car. You can save a lots of money on the repairs guys, because now you know exactly how to protect your car, how to restore your car and how to take care of it. So guys, if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family so that This video can help them as well to protect their vehicle from rusting, and so that their vehicle also will last for a long time. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, I will meet you guys with lots of good information in my next video. So take care of yourself and I'll see you there.